Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today we gonna get into another one of these things, man, that you might not know about Pro Tools, man. I'm about to show y'all how to add plugins to a bunch of tracks at the same time without having to do it one by one. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time, man. Let's get into the video. All right, so we got this session right here, right? I want to take these three tracks right here and I want to add the same plugin to them all at once. So what I would want to do is I want to highlight them as y'all saw me do. And how you do that is you click on the track that you want to start with and you hold down shift and then you click on the last track that you want to end with. Now, I want to add the same plugin to all of these tracks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold shift, option, and I'm going to choose the plugin that I want to use. Let's go to this Infinity EQ. Let it load up. And as you can see, it added the plugins to all three of those tracks, man. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow the playlist too, man, because I'm going to be uploading stuff often on this playlist. Just things that you just might not know about Pro Tools, man. Just random stuff that just might help y'all get through the session. So yeah. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Don't let nobody tell y'all how to do that. Peace.